camera shake, motion blur. Are these the problems with your Nikon Coolpix B500 photography too? Then guys, in this video I'm gonna share with you a few tips on how you can avoid getting camera shake in your precious images. So let's get started.
Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon to get notified whenever I am on YouTube. Thank you.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Welcome to my channel, which is all about photography, travel, vlogging, cameras, and I put out new photography tutorials every Wednesday for you guys, especially about my camera Nikon Coolpix B500. So if you want new photography tips and tricks from me every Wednesday, please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon. And today I'm going to give you some tips on how you can avoid getting blurry images and keep your images super sharp. Now these rules will apply to any camera. The rules will be the same, you just need to apply them as per your camera. But I'm going to show you a few settings that you can use in your camera B500. So let's start. There are two factors that determine the sharpness of your images: shutter speed and focal length. Slower the shutter speed, more are the chances of having camera shake in your images, and higher the focal length, the more sensitive your camera is towards the camera shake. So having a fast shutter speed becomes very difficult in low light situations. So as a rule, we try to maintain our shutter speed as a reciprocal value of the focal length. Meaning, if my focal length is 100 mm, my shutter speed should be the reciprocal value, meaning 1 by 100 seconds. For more safety, we'll keep it twice the focal length, meaning for 100 mm we can keep 1 by 200 second shutter speed. So this can help you avoid getting shake in your images. Now maintaining this rule is quite easy in a camera that allows you to manually set your shutter speed like a DSLR. But with this camera, which does not allow you to set your shutter speed manually, it may become a problem. So I'll give you a few tips on how you can control your blurriness and maintain sharp images. The easiest way to click images in low light is to turn on the flash. The flash really lights up your scene and especially helps if your subject is close to the camera like a flower. To diffuse the flashlight, I use a piece of white paper over my flash. If you are shooting handheld, turn on the image stabilization of the camera. In the B500, go to the setup menu, photo VR, and turn it on. Autofocus systems sometimes focus on the wrong part of the image and your image may look out of focus. That's why I prefer using the manual focus of my B500 so that I can set the focus point of my scene manually. That way the camera knows which part of the image I want to be in more focus, even if the remaining part may be a little blurry or out of focus. Each time I double my ISO, I double my shutter speed to reduce camera shake and blurriness. But more ISO also means more noise. So I set my ISO between 100 to 400. This gives me more shutter speed and also keeps the noise less. Use the continuous shooting mode and click 3 to 5 images instead of just one image. Then copy the images into your computer, flip through them and delete the ones that are not sharp. You will be surprised by how much difference there can be between images clicked just a fraction of a second apart. The best way to avoid camera shake is to place your camera on a sturdy tripod or monopod. While you're shooting with the tripod, turn off image stabilization by going to setup menu, photo VR and turning it off. While you are using your tripod, turn on self timer so that you can reduce the vibrations caused by you pressing the shutter release button. Go to the button to the left of OK and turn on 5-second self timer. So now your camera will click 5 seconds after you press the shutter release button. When you are not using your tripod, make sure you have a 3-point system supporting your camera. First point can be your right hand gripping the camera. Second point, left hand cupping the lens. Third point can be any wall, pole, platform or any kind of support. If you don't have a support around, you can use your body. You can use the support of your stomach, chest, shoulders, head, anything. Make sure you have a 3-point contact. That's it. You can also use the camera strap and tie it very tightly to your hand so that it can support your camera too. Or else you can extend it like so that it gives you some balance and support. Slow, regular deep breathing steadies your whole system. You can also hold your breath while shooting, but this may work only for some time because later you will have to gulp lungfuls of air that may throw you off balance. Check if your lens has any smears or fingerprints regularly. Wipe it with a clean microfiber cloth. When your camera is not in use, always make sure the lens cap is on. Store it in a cool, dry place with good ventilation. Having a little bit of motion blur in your images is not really bad. They can sometimes give you a sense of movement or activity, but those movements should be intentional. They should not be random jerky movements here and there that can ruin your picture. So I hope the tips I gave you in this video are helpful in avoiding camera shake and picking super sharp images, guys. And if it was, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what are the problems that you face in your Nikon Coolpix B500. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous B500 tutorial and here is a playlist that plays all my content related to this camera. Please go check these videos out, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.